In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number in Gmail, a task that can seem daunting but is actually quite simple once you know the steps. This is particularly important for keeping your account secure and ensuring you can recover access if you ever forget your password. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Gmail inbox. Do this by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your Gmail account. It's straightforward. Just type in mail.google.com, and hit enter. Make sure you're logging into the account for which you want to change the phone number. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initial there. Give that a click. This action will open a small menu with several options, but the one you're interested in is Edit Google Account. Clicking this option will take you away from your inbox and into the heart of your Google account settings, where you can make all sorts of changes, including updating your phone number. After you've selected Edit Google Account, you'll find yourself on the main page of your Google account settings. Here, tons of options are at your disposal, but to streamline our task today, you'll want to focus on the left-hand side of the page. Look for the section named Personal Info. Go ahead and click on that. It's where all your personal details like name and birthday are stored, including, of course, your phone number. Now that you're in the Personal Info section, you'll likely see a list of your personal details. Scroll down until you find the Contact Info section and click on Phone. It's here that Google lists all of the phone numbers associated with your account. Upon selecting Phone, you're presented with the phone numbers linked to your account. You'll see each number along with its purpose. Recovery, for example. Find the phone number you wish to update, and you should notice a little pencil icon next to it. This is the edit button. Clicking this pencil will allow you to update your phone number. It's an intuitive interface. Simply replace the old number with the new one you wish to use. Ensure that the number you enter is correct and accessible, as Google may need to verify it's really you making the change. After you've entered your new number, Google will likely send a verification code to this number via text message. This is a security measure designed to protect your account by confirming that the number is indeed yours. Once you receive this code, enter it into the provided space on the screen to verify your new phone number. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your phone number in Gmail. This change will enhance the security of your account and ensure you continue to have access to features like password recovery via SMS. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips to keep in mind. First, consider adding a backup phone number if you haven't already. This gives you an additional recovery option. Second, if you ever change your phone number again, remember to update it in your Gmail account as soon as possible. Keeping your account information current is crucial for maintaining access to your account and keeping it secure. Updating your phone number in Gmail is a quick and easy process, but it's an important step in managing your account's security. By following the steps we've outlined today, you can ensure that your Gmail account is both secure and accessible no matter what may happen. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay safe and happy emailing.